Don't do this. Put those down.
Bean back, bean back, bean back.
Bean back, bean back.
Drop it, get on the ground.
Started from the bottom, ain't quite make it to the top. Shit hot around the block. Shoot like Robert Horry, but like Jordan always scoring. Started from the bottom.
Yeah, what up, y'all? So today we got a video where a man charges at the police officers with a metal pole, and boy, it ended bad for the kid. So let's get into it.
Okay, and what's going on there?
Okay, so I want to get a 5150 assessment. My husband is showing signs of schizophrenia.
He's showing signs of what?
Like schizophrenia, like...
okay.
Yeah, just mental issues and...
I don't have mental issues. It isn't fair for my wife to sit here and act like...
She's actually really afraid of the police. So I don't know how to handle this without it being a big deal.
Okay, can you step away from him?
Yeah.
Only for 5150.
Okay, how many people are in the house with you?
My parents and two of my children. So 4 people, and then me and him.
Already know what's going to happen. Are they around? No, Andre. Well, if they're around, knows what I'm going to do. And she's doing this anyway. And well, I don't want to live this no more. And I said I'm tired of social injustice. I don't want to go to court. I ain't going to court. I don't want to even live that. I was like, I'd rather go after their throat. And if they kill me, then they kill me. But when it's time for them to die, I'm going to throw them in a lake of fire and torture them. And I'm going to torture everybody that did me wrong. You're going to have to suffer. And I ain't going to be lenient on you.
Oh yeah, boy is having a mental breakdown. He bugging out for real, like.
I ain't gonna be.
Any firearms with him?
No, he doesn't.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the police on the block.
Andre, come here. Don't walk towards the car. Andre, listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying.
I don't see
Listen to what I'm saying. Andre,
put your hands up.
Andre, put your hands up.
There's
Say,
people
go
in the
down
car.
on your knees. Let us help
There's
you.
a woman in the car.
Andre.
Ma'am, come here.
No, don't walk inside. Come here and listen to me.
Ma'am, come here.
Andre.
Come on, ma'am, just come with us. You're safe. Please come with us. Come with us. We'll get her in the car. Just wait here real quick, okay?
Oh, 1 second. I know you want to get back to the video, but I have to cover this because it might protect you and save your life. 4 items that I think every person needs is 1, pepper spray in case you're Ubering or walking around at night. You want some sort of line of defense. A body cam. Police have body cams. Why can't we? To record our interactions, or if you're an up-and-coming YouTuber and you want to do your own First Amendment audits. A dash cam if you're driving, you want to record your accidents that happen on the outside of the vehicle. Or if you get stopped by the police, you need something to record on the inside as well. And everyone needs a pocket-sized mini version of the United States Constitution. The link to all these items are linked in the description box down below. Now let's get back to the video. You know, sometimes I get it, you know, other people that's involved, they get so distraught and they don't they're so caught up in their emotions, they're crying and all of this stuff. But you got to listen to what the officers are saying as far as your safety is concerned. You feel me? Because they about to light dude up. You feel me? And they not trying to hit the car and hit like any innocent bystanders. You feel me? So just if you a bystander, get with them, you know what I'm saying? Get out of the way, because dude about to get lit up for real.
Can you wait over here? Can you wait over here so you're safe, man? Okay.
We don't want to do anything. We want to help you, okay? Let us help you. Just listen to what I'm saying.
Okay, ahorita te hablamos en un ratito.
I need you to go down on your knees, okay? Let us help you.
What are you here for?
We're here to talk to you, okay? We just want to talk.
Talk to me for what?
We just want to make sure everything's okay. Nothing needs to happen here, okay? Just please listen to us. Let this go smoothly. Let us help you. Go down on your knees for me. Don't grab anything. Do not grab that. Drop that on the ground now. This doesn't need to go this way, Andre. Drop that on the ground. Don't do this. Don't make this worse. Don't do this. You have a wife and a kid and kids. Think about them. Think about them, Andre. Please don't do this. Put those down.
Bean back.
Drop it.
Bean back.
Drop it. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Hit him again. Bean back.
So now I want beanbag. I think those are rubber bullets because the shotgun that would have blew him away. You hear me? Hasta luego. You heard, like one shot would have been out of here. So I think those are rubber bullets.
You need to be this way, Andre. Please let us help you.
Get on the ground.
Please let us help you.
Hey, do not throw anything.
40.
Andre, come out here. Let us help you.
Andre,
You don't want to
not
do
throw
this.
anything at us.
You don't want to do this, Andre. Please let us help you. Come out here and talk to us. We just want to talk.
Let he who has no sin cast the first stone.
Don't throw it. Get him. Dale. You're throwing rocks, I'm gonna shoot you. You will be shot. Throw another rock. I will shoot you. Do not throw it. Hey, do not throw it.
Bean back. 40. Get down.
It's crazy because they did everything, you feel me? They hit him with the rubber bullets. They hit him with the taser. He still wasn't listening. The boy ain't in his right frame of mind. So they actually finally popped his ass. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you got to learn sometimes. Sometimes you got to learn the hard way, you heard? Which that was kind of crazy. I'm not going to lie because the officer is so close here. So for the other officer to shoot like that, he had to hit because that could have been crossfire and you could have hit the officer. That's crazy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.